So is staying at a $30 capsule hotel worth it? Let's find out. First time, but tomorrow we leave for the US. We just wanna try it this one time.
Just one time. Okay. Yeah.
You need to press this here. Then you can adjust the pressure of the water in your butt. This button to open it. Hungry?
Ohayou gozaimasu.
Hi, gozaimasu.
Part of our capsule experience is getting this morning menu.
So you press this. So I booked this for $30. Well, $33 including this, you know, the breakfast. So the things that I really like about this is it's cheap, really cheap.